welcome back to another video. So in our last video we introduced the car, we did a walk around, and I talked about everything that's wrong with it. At the end of the video you heard what I feel to say might be a bad knocking sound.
Maybe someplace needs to be oiled.
In this video we're trying to fix whatever that issue is by doing an oil change, changing the spark plugs, and see where it goes. Enjoy. Unfortunately, my sister was wrong. It just didn't need to be oiled. Today, fingers crossed, we're gonna try to do a complete service. This guy here in the video, his name's Tunde, a good guy, gonna help me do a complete service, and hopefully that fixes the issue. Enjoy. For a complete service in this part of the world, that includes an oil change, filter change, and spark plug change. We also try to do a few gaskets here and there, but and also some sealants, but let's see if it works. He's moving extremely fast. When we took out the spark plugs, it was clear that they were bad. They had been soiled. All the spark plugs were changed to hopefully fix the engine problem. So he's done and put everything back together, and we want to see if that temporarily maybe fix the issue by taking the battery off here and putting the battery there. We tried to jump the car and realized very quickly it was out of gas. Unfortunately, at this time, gas prices had just gone up and there were long lines at the gas station, so it took me a little while to get back with new gas for the car. You're priming it? Yeah. Priming the fuel system. Still knocking. Well, at this point, to no avail. We've tried everything possible. We've changed the oil, changed the plugs, changed some of the seals, to no avail. It's still making that horrid sound. So unfortunately, we have to try option 2. It was bright and early the next day, and Tunde came over to help me. Today we're going to move the car over to a shop so that the engine can come out and it can be disassembled, and we can start to try to figure out what's really wrong with the engine. Good morning. So we eventually got the car moving today, just not the way that I wanted it to move. Today we're having to pull the car early in the morning. It's very interesting to see that even in a place like remote Africa, the Supra is still turning heads. People are still turning around to take another look at what that is. It's so real. Toyota did design a very beautiful car, and I think we can all agree. So we finally made it to where Tunde was going to be able to remove the engine. I'm a bit sad that we have to leave it here for a little bit, but hopefully in the next video I should have some news as to what really caused the engine issue, and then we can start to tackle it properly and get the Supra on the road. We're going to end it here today. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.